Good morning students, how are you? I hope you're doing well and keeping yourself safe. Welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today we are going to start with our chapter, that is the Giving Tree. It is a class 4th chapter, students. So let's start with the chapter, the Giving Tree. How do you feel when you help someone? As you know, whenever you help someone, you feel so happy, and you feel so happy from inside as well as from outside. How do you feel when you share your things with others? How you feel? You feel relaxed after sharing your secrets or sharing your problems with others. Read this play to know how a tree feels when it helps a boy. Here the tree helps a little boy. Narrator: once there was a tree and it loved a little boy. That I have told you before also. There was a tree who helped the little boy. So what happened one day? One day, or once upon a time, there was a tree and the tree loved the little boy. Every day the boy could visit the tree and enjoy its company. So what did the boy do? The boy every day visit the tree and enjoy with the tree and like the company of tree. Tree, come here, my boy, come and climb up my trunk and swing from my branches. So what did the tree said? The tree is saying that, come here and climb my trunk and swing from my branches. Boy, swimming from the branches. Ah, what fun. Tree, are you hungry? Eat my apples. Then what did the tree ask? That, are you hungry? And if you are hungry, you can eat my apples. Boy, eating apple, how delicious. So the boy started eating the apple, and he said, what did the boy say? The boy said, how delicious it is. Narrator: when the boy was tired, he slept under the tree. The tree was happy to give its shade, but time went by and the boy grew older and went away. So what happened? The boy was feeling tired and he slept under the shade of the tree. But after some time, the boy has been grown older, and the boy went away. Now we'll go to the next page. The tree was often alone. After some year, one day the boy came to the tree and the tree was very happy. So what happened, students? When the little boy went away, the tree was feeling alone. He was feeling lonely. After some year, one day the boy came there and visited the tree. Then the tree became more happy to see the little boy which has been grown older. Tree, come my boy, come and climb my trunk and swing from my branches. Again the tree was telling that when he was little boy, what did the tree said? That come here and climb my trunks and branches. Then again, after the little boy has grown older, again the tree was saying the same thing. Boy, I am too big to climb and play. I want to buy things and have fun. I want some money. Can you give me some money? So what did the boy say? That I am too big. I have been so older that I can't climb. I can't play with you. I just wanted to buy some things and have fun. And the boy started asking some money from the tree. Tree said, I'm sorry, but I have no money. I have only leaves and apple. You can pluck my apple and sell them in the market, and then you will have money. So what the tree said, that I don't have money. What you can do? What the tree was having? The tree was having only two things. One was the leaves, and other one was the apples. So what did the tree said? The tree said that you can take my apples and sell them in the market, and you'll get money from from the apple which you have been sold. Narrator, the boy happily plucked the apples and carried them away. The tree was also happy, but the boy stayed away for a long time, and the tree was sad. So what happened? Then again, the little boy who has grown older has plucked the apples and carried them away. Then the tree was also happy, but the boy stayed away for a long time. Then again the tree was sad. One day what happened? One day the boy came back, and the tree shook with joy. So again the boy came there. Then again the tree was so happy. Tree, come boy, come and climb my trunk, swing from my branches, eat my apple, play in my shed and be happy. Again the tree was saying the same thing, as you know, students. Boy, I am too busy to climb trees. I am getting married. I need a house for my wife and my children. Can you give me a house? Then again he was asking to the tree that I am getting married and I need a house for my wife and children. So what did the tree reply? I have no house, but you may cut off my branches and build a house. So what did the tree reply? That you can cut my branches and make a huge house for your wife and the children. Narrator, so the boy cut off the tree's branches and carried them away to build a house. Then again the boy went. What did the boy did? The boy has cut many branches from the tree and carried away to build a house. The tree was very happy to see. Obviously, if the boy is happy, again the tree got so much happy. But the boy stayed away for a long time, and the tree was sad again. He got disappeared for a long time, but again the tree was unhappy. And when he came back, then again the boy came after some year. The tree was then again the tree was so happy that it could hardly speak. Now the boy was a young man. Now the boy has become a very young man. Tree, come boy, come, what can I do for you? Young man, I am going on a business trip. I want a boat to take me away. Can you give me a boat? Then again, as you know, the boy is asking again and again to the tree that you can give me this, that and that. So again the boy came, and again he was asking for a boat from the tree to go for a business trip. Then what did the tree reply? All I have left is a trunk. Cut down my trunk and make a boat, then you can sail away. Then again, only thing was left with the tree was the trunk. And the tree said, you can take my trunk also, and you can cut my trunk and make a boat and sail away and go for a business trip. Narrator, the young man cut the trunk of the tree and sailed away in a boat. The tree was left only with stump. So students, again the boy demanded for boat, and then he at last cut his trunk also, and he left with the remaining part of the tree. And after a long time the young man came back again. Then again the young man came came back again. Now he was an old man. He was so old, but the tree recognized him. Then again the tree recognized him. Tree, I am sorry friend, but I have nothing left to give you. My apples are gone. So as you know, the tree has nothing with it. No apple were left with the tree. So the tree said to the boy that I have nothing with me. Old man, my teeth are too weak for apples. So what did the old man say? My teeth are too weak for the apples. Then what did the tree reply? My branches are gone. You cannot swing on them. Then again said the tree that I don't have branches also, and my branches are gone, and you cannot swing on them. Then what did the old man replied? I am too old to swing on my branches. Tree, my trunk is gone, you cannot climb. Then what did the old man said? I am also too tired to climb. Then what did the tree replied? I am sorry, I wish that I could give you something, but I have nothing left. I am just an old stump. I am sorry. Then again the tree was asking sorry that I can't give you anything. Now, what did the old man reply? Dear tree, you have always given, but now I did not need much, just a quiet place to sit and rest. So what did the old man say? That I don't want anything, you have given me many things. I just wanted to sit quiet and take rest. What did the tree replied? Well, an old stump is good for sitting and resting on. Come friends, sit down and rest. Then again the tree said that just come and sit and take rest. The old man did, and the tree was still happy. So at last the tree was really happy that the little boy has become an old man, and he is resting, taking rest, and looking at that boy, the tree was so happy. So this is about this story, students. Now we'll go to the word meaning of this chapter. Swing means to move back and forth. Delicious means pleasant to eat. Delicious means very tasty fruit. Pluck, to quickly remove. Trip, a journey. Stump, the bottommost part of the tree. Recognized, to identify someone whom you have been seen before. How did the boy enjoy the company of the tree? The boy used to climb up the trunk and swing from the branches of the tree. That I have told you before also. How did the tree help the boy earn money? As you know, the tree offered the boy to pluck the apples from it and sell them in the market. What did the boy make with the branches of the tree? The boy made a house with the branches of the tree. What did the boy make with the trunk of the tree? The boy as you know, made a boat with the trunk of the tree. How was the stump of the tree useful? The stump of the tree helped the old man to sit and rest on. Why is the play called the giving tree? The play is called the giving tree because the tree always gives the man everything he needed without asking anything in return. So this is about the story, students. Go through the video thoroughly. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.